Hi everybody, welcome back to Wineberry Hill. Well, it's been 5 months since I started the renovation and redesign of my chicken coop and run. I'll be moving the chicks into the coop in the next couple of days. And so this means it will never be as clean as it is right this moment. And so I thought this is a really good time to give you a look around to show you some of the features of my new Wineberry Hill chicken coop and run. On this side of the coop, which is the people's entrance, I have double doors, making it easier to get into the coop and to clean it out. You'll also notice I have screen doors built into these doors that are also convertible to winterized doors. So cool breeze in the hot weather and a nice insulated door in cold weather. You'll also see that I have an 8-inch removable threshold, and that is because I will have 8 inches of deep litter inside the coop. Obviously, I still need to add the deep litter, which is probably on the list for today. This deep litter means that all of the different doors for the different coops inside here are raised up about 8 inches, as well as the communal nesting box with roll-away access from the outside. The external access to the communal nesting box is right here, which allows you to reach in, get your eggs, and keep everything nice and sealed up. Yes, I did say that there are multiple coops. And by that I mean that one end, the lower end of the coop on this side, I haven't set it up yet, but it will be convertible into a brooder or an infirmary, depending on what the circumstances are. I haven't done it yet just because I don't really need it right now. I still have a few months before I have to get it set up. But what that does is it makes it possible for there to be separate access to a cordoned off section of the run. That way a broody hen can be in here and raise their chicks, and the rest of the flock can see them, but not directly have contact with them. I have lots of roosting space. I have lots of ventilation designed into the coop, fresh air intakes here, the exhausts on the other side of the roof up there. All of the surfaces on the inside of the coop are washable vinyl, and yeah, I think that's everything over here, at least as far as a quick overview. All right, let's head over and take a look at the front of the run. The entire perimeter of the chicken run has hardware cloth buried in the ground, so that will prevent digging predators from being able to dig in addition to the fact that there's a concrete sill all the way around. This front garden area is made up of plants that both my rabbits and my chickens can eat. And you can also start to see a glimpse there of the in-run food forest salad bar, and we'll get a better look at that here in a second. The entire run is covered in clear fiber-embedded UV-resistant tarp, and so that obviously keeps the run nice and dry. Okay, let's head over to the entrance of the run. On this end of the run, I have a ramp and double doors that allow me to get a wheelbarrow inside of the run. On top of that, I have Dutch doors that makes it possible, depending on how much I want to get into the chicken coop. Maybe I just want to drop off scraps, so I can swing over, open one door, throw in the scraps, and be all set. The other thing that I can do is from here, I can change out or add to the feed bucket. And one of my favorite features that is on this end of the chicken run is the ability to quick connect a hose to the waterer, and I can very quickly flush out the waterer and refill it and do everything right there from a quick connect hose. So yes, I am looking forward to using that. Okay, so that's the basic idea on this end. I will be adding an awning over the top so that in rainy weather, I'll be able to come out here and perch here on the ramp here and not get drenched if it's raining or snowing. And then that way I can still poke my head in, check in on the chickens. Okay, let's go in to the run. Here inside the run, it is almost like an aviary. We've got lots of roosting space, and I mentioned that there is a kind of food forest salad bar. And basically the idea is it allows the chickens access to the plants without being able to tear the plants out. This is version 1.0. The frames that protect the salad bar are removable. So this is how it's laid out for now. We'll see what adjustments need to be made as time goes on. I have a dust bath right here in the middle of the area here. Hopefully it's outside of pooping range for perched birds. We'll see. And the floor inside the run, toward that end especially, is about 2 feet deep in mulch and wood chips. So if for any reason, if there is water that does come into the run, it will go to that end, and I have drainage built into that end of the run that will then siphon it off into a dry well. So we'll see. That's the basic idea for the layout inside the run. I'm experimenting with movable frames that will allow grass to grow up, or whatever plants to grow up, allowing the chickens to have access to them without them digging up and damaging the plants. In this instance, I think I have some alfalfa, maybe some clover in there, as well as I just put in some oatgrass seeds. And so this gives them access to fresh plants to nibble at, in addition to the other food that they can get out of the salad bar. As I mentioned, this corner here, this portion is going to be the brooder run, but for the time being, I just have it opened up to everyone. I should also, jumping back, I should mention that this is an idea that I'm hoping will translate and that I can move around in the coop. Either move this one or make more of them. And there you have it, kind of a high-level view of the chicken coop before it is covered in poop. Depending on when you see this video, either the plans will be downloadable, or you will be able to click a link and you will be able to join a wait list for the plans if that's something that you're interested in. That link is right here. Now, I suspect there are questions or comments. Please send them on. Please comment below. It seems like that's one of the only ways that YouTube will even notice my channel. Your support is always appreciated, and so please do all of that YouTube stuff. And as always, if you liked this video, you might like these.